morning, Philly. It's good to be back. It's good to be back in town. I'm like half dressed for today. I have work today. It's still cloudy, but you can see the blue skies trying to come through. I have a lot of stuff to do. I still have to edit my New York video. I haven't even done that yet. I have to promote the video that just came out today. I was working out this morning. I was tired as butt cheeks when I woke up, and I just went through like all of my emails this morning and trying to clean out that inbox. But you know, I have a lot of goals set. In terms of what I want to get done for this coming up month. Lots of big things in the works, lots of creative projects, lots of ideas. October is like the creating month for me, right? It's like before all the holidays and everything hit, it's like the fully grind month. Okay, that's October for me. I'm also gonna be trying out this new bag to take to work and stuff, so I can put my camera stuff in here because it's got like a nice padding on the bottom. So we're gonna try that out for today and like take it to work and stuff. And I want to try to shoot some Polaroids on my way to work. But anyways, yeah. So lots of stuff going down, happening right now. I need to post all my social media stuff and also upload this YouTube video. I will say though that from last episode, the episode before that, before I went to New York, I feel like, you know, I was really drained. But honestly, a weekend trip away, you know, kind of just having a camera and not really doing editing or anything like that, like that kind of helps, you know, with the drain feeling. And now I'm pumped and I'm ready to go. Plus it's Monday, so, you know, all of that combined is just like, let's do this thing. You know what I mean? My new bag. So I'm going from this backpack to this bag. This is a Domke bag. I just want to try it out, right? I have lots of bags and stuff and just lots of everything. So I kind of wanted to try this out, right? Because why not, right? Here's what's going in my bag. I'm gonna bring, like I said again, my Polaroid camera. So this is gonna go in here, and that should leave enough space for this camera to go right by the side of it. Hopefully they don't like crash into each other so much, but we'll see. This is my like go kit. This has like all of my personal hygiene stuff. So toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, cologne, comb, literally like everything is in here. So I have this, that'll go up top here. I have Band-Aids and also these like little like patches that you can put on the backs of your heels if your like shoes bother you. And I also have some cologne in there as well, in case like I run out of this ever or whatever. I always have that in my bag. Hand sanitizer is a must. Like, you need hand sanitizer regardless of where you go nowadays because everyone's just gross. And I don't think people have learned from the pandemic like how gross everything is. So definitely some hand sanitizer in that pocket as well. I have pens. So this is a Papermate's Flare pen. I don't know, some guy gave it to me when I was working. He said this is the best pen ever. I strongly disagree. I have a Mont Blanc pen that is 10 times better. But anyways, we have also a Sharpie as well. You literally can never not use Sharpies or anything. So Sharpies are just good overall for everything. Sharpie in the bag on the outside pocket, as well as the Flare pen. I just kind of clip them to the outside pocket. And it's just kind of just there like that. So little outside pocket there. Actually, I'm gonna put this in these little like Velcro pockets in the lid, just cause like if I ever do need them, I can see them and they're there, you know. Always good thing to have. Extra chapsticks. I don't need 2 of them, but I'm just gonna bring one that feels lighter than the other one, just so that I can use it up more. But chapstick is also a need. I also have one in here though, but this is gonna be like an easy access chapstick, so I'll just put it in the other sleeve in the bag. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just like that there. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these posters on the bottom of my bag. Just kind of like that, so they can kind of, I don't know, have protection, I guess. Tape. Tape's gonna go in the pen pocket, if you will. This is my notebook, my everyday notebook. I'm gonna put it in the side pocket here, just cause I feel like it's gonna be, oh look at that. I have a bunch of carabiners. Just because I'm going to be using it a lot, so I'm going to put it in my side pocket, just like that there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to put this camera right in there, and it's going to be like a little messenger bag. That's going to be my little daily carry today. Oh, how could I almost forget the most important thing? Breath spray. I can't chew gum at my work, but I can have like breath spray, so obviously I'm gonna take it. That's gonna go right next to my notebook so that I remember to put it in my pocket when I go to work. Also, something else that's been essential that I have not been taking around everywhere are my little like earbuds. So these are like, if you go to a concert, you know, when it's too loud, or like the subway's too loud, or whatever, you just don't want to hear people talk, these as well. And then I also have a little fidget toy here, which honestly might come in handy. But yeah, so also is going in that pocket as well. And yeah, that's my bag. Whew. I'm also gonna try to fit my water bottle in there somehow. And also my lunch, or whatever I'm gonna bring for lunch. Hopefully my water doesn't spill into my bag with my camera stuff. Okay guys, my wallet. Look how many coins I found in New York. Yeah, I think there's more too. Yep, this is all the money I found on the streets of New York. So, I mean, you know, it's quite a bit of change here. I'm not gonna lie, but luckily we made this jar a few videos ago, so I could keep my change in here. Make sure you hand sanitize after touching money, because that stuff is gross, okay? It's dirty. It's dirty. You found it on the streets, especially if you find it on the streets of New York, you know that should be dirty. Also, fellas and friends, don't forget to take your multivitamins today. It's good for you. Helps you not get sick, especially like during fall times and everything. You don't want to be getting sick. That's the wrong one. It takes you out of work. You can't afford that. I sure can't afford that. Okay, we got the fit today, right? I'm gonna be pairing it up with my brown shoes over there. Hopefully they're still comfortable, because, you know, I don't have that many dress shoes that are comfortable anymore, because I just wear them out. You know, it's all a work in progress. Yeah, no, for the remainder, I'm gonna be listening to some hype music, because my confidence is a little low today. So, hype that music up, boy. Hype it up. Didn't work. I don't know. I'm tired. But we're gonna go. So good to be back.